Okay, hello everyone. I will divide my time into 3 parts. I will try to make you enjoy a bit. My first part will be why SECPhO here, what's doing SECPhO supporting photonic integration circuits, photonic integrated circuits. Second one will be a very quickly explanation about what's SECPhO, and the third one we will play with our panel in the wall. During the registration, you received an envelope with some logos, and I will invite you to put your logos in the wall to see where are the others, how to connect through the value chain with others, and how to start doing networking. Let's go. Why SECPhO here? Okay, during the last years, I came to SECPhO 4 years ago, and I started making all kinds of activities supporting the photonic ecosystem in Spain, but mainly in the field of laser systems and optical sensors, not integrated, but optical sensors. Then nowadays, we feel that the photonic integration in Spain is much more mature, and maybe it's now the moment to start giving support and making all kinds of activities to support this ecosystem and shake it and try to help them to find for business opportunities, project opportunities, and new connections in the industry. For that, SECPhO is going to promote it through a webinar now in May about integrated photonics. We are doing a webinar also about communications, optical communications now in February. We will make a report about integrated photonics in Spain by September, and we will make all kind of dissemination through all kind of sectors. We will introduce photonic integrated circuits in our innovation workshops. We are doing every year innovation workshops with all kinds of sectors. Now in March we have with aerospace, in May energy, healthcare, automotive, functional print. These are some workshops that we have now in 2017. But from now onwards, we will try to make these sectors to know much more about what this kind of technology can provide them, and to know and to make visible the main agents here in Spain. We will sponsor Photonic Integration Week if you guys want in 2018 and 19. Thank you to the I-team for giving us the opportunity to collaborate with you. It's an honor for us. And as we have made in the laser systems manufacturers group to create a work group in 2018 with one event per year for networking, for knowing how to help. No, it's what we do. Then I'm available for all of you to know much more how we can help you. Okay, that's the reason why SECPhO is here now. Second part is to talk about what SECPhO is very quickly. It's a cluster. It's an independent cluster, not depending on any university, any public administration. It belongs to its members, it's private, and it's focused in innovation, but by using light technologies, all kinds of photonic technologies. It brings together companies and R&D centers. Our main objective is to generate opportunities for our members. It depends on its, if it's a company, we will provide business opportunities. If it's a research group or a tech center, we will provide the opportunity to start with a project. The idea of SECPhO is connecting the capabilities and technologies that our members have with all kinds of needs and challenges that we find in all kind of sectors. Sorry. This is our board of directors now until June. It's nice people, friendly people. All members of SECPhO can be part of the board of directors. It changes every 2 years, and it's open to all the members. As I said before, SECPhO doesn't belong to anyone. It belongs to all the members. This is the team. We are 3 people. I'm a lucky guy with two girls. We are full-time focused in helping our members, in organizing proactive activities, but also to help them because we have a very heterogeneous base of members. The history, it was born in 2009. It has now, with only one person, it has now all the certifications that we need in Europe, Spain. It's placed in Catalonia. Next month, it was born in Terrassa, but next month it's moving to the center of Barcelona. And until now, we have been developing our main structure. Nowadays, SECPhO is solid, and it can help and provide help to the members. We have 67 members now. The objective is to grow a lot in next years. These members, more or less, very quickly, can be divided in some representatives of basic R&D, some representatives of tech transfer, manufacturers, and those who are focused in engineering and distribution. 60% are companies, 40% are or research groups or tech centers, but although 60% are companies, the focus of our members is R&D and tech transfer. Manufacturing is the point where they feel much more comfortable. The sectors where we address, all kinds of sectors, as you will see now, all kinds of sectors, and we are looking continuously for needs and specific opportunities for providing new technologies and integrating optics and photonics technologies. How we do it? Through different kinds of activities, networking, innovation workshops, connecting R&D, also internationalization and European projects. We make it with all kinds of sectors. We try to get the main companies of that sectors to come to the events with problems, with needs. Wine sector, rail, as you could see, agriculture, machinery, rubber industry, oil, cork sector, all kinds of sectors. Nutrition, healthcare, automotive, for example, next activities that we are organizing are, as I said before, aerospace in Madrid in March, in May, energy in Asturias, and water in Zaragoza. All of them need all kinds of sensors, as you presented before, all kinds of new systems, communications, and we try to analyze which are their problems, their needs, to provide technologies. I'm available for you today, tomorrow, to talk how can SECPhO help you, and why it can be a good idea to belong to the SECPhO family. And for the end, I will focus in our play. I think it's important not talking, but starting doing things. I came here with the objective of shaking you and starting with inviting you to see where the others are. No? Then you received an envelope with 5 logos each one during the registration. I expect all of you have your logos. Is that correct? Is any one of you lacking the envelope with the logos? Now I will invite you to wake up and stand up and come to the panel in the wall, I will give you a small piece of blue tack, and I will invite you to stick your logos following the value chain, the point of the value chain where you are, and depending on the sector, the final sector, it's very wide. It's not a specific application, but it's a way to start where you are focusing on. No? First, doing that, and second, trying to have a global vision about where the others are, and who could you connect with in the next days, and who could be interesting to talk with. At the end, we can write in, and if we see that there is some area with strange behavior, we can write things, and this could be the first picture about which is the position now in 2017 of the photonic integrated circuits ecosystem here in Spain. Then come here. I invite you. I'm available if you need more sticks of paper. Okay. After this, we will go for the B2B meetings. You received my emails with the smiling signature down, and you will have there the agenda. But if you don't know the agenda for the meetings, you can ask me. I have some agendas here. It's in the red cube, 4th floor, I think. We have several rooms. Okay? Then let's go to the wall. It's very important that when you put your logos, leave a space for the others.
Y luego ya lo... Sí. Bueno, además de los dos, sí, además luego se mete con los... Sí. ¿Qué tal el viaje con el tren, no?
Sí.
Yo mirando porque es más que pensaba, ¿no?
Sí, muy breve porque por tiempo tenemos que empezar los meetings. Okay, very quickly about the panel. It's interesting. Now to make you note that from this panel, it's interesting for you to note, okay, which are the others who you can collaborate with through the value chain, which are the others doing the same that you. It's sometimes interesting. Who should you collaborate in order to make connections for providing some solution to the market? And on the other side, it's also interesting to look at the gaps, no? Where we don't have capabilities between all the people here, and there is an opportunity maybe, or why there is a gap, no? That's the idea for thinking about. And now we will start with B2B meetings because of time. Thank you. We will make a picture and we will send it to you. Thank you very much. And about the meetings, we will go now to the red cube. At 12:30 we have 5 meetings. Pascual Muñoz from VLC Photonics, Carlos Domínguez del CNM, Manel Espínola de Snell Optics, Sebastián Pantoja de Televes, Íñigo Artundo de VLC Photonics, David Lázaro de Indra, Ricardo Díaz de AINIA, Fernando Castaño de Spectrolítica, David Castrillo de Jamamacho y Rubén Criado de Ludwave Labs. Vamos, let's go. And the others, is there any one of you that you need the agenda? I have some of them. Please tell me, okay? Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Sergio, for this nice session. So, business-to-business meeting, and then lunch will be served in the hall, in the floor below, by 2 o'clock. Okay, and then we will retake the sessions at 3:30. Okay, thank you.